Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make $1, approximately $1 every 1 minute. Okay, you make $1 every 1 minute. It depends on how well you want or how quick you want to make this money. Okay, it's very simple and then straightforward. So in case you've watched our previous video where I showed you how to make an amount of $100 or even $200 per day, you will notice that what I'm about to share with you is very legitimate. Okay, so in case you are new to this channel and you want to see more of these videos, because I'll be uploading more of these videos in the coming weeks, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos. So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So again, I'll leave a link to the site or website in the video description and pin comment so that you can check it out. Okay, right, so the name of the website, this is the name of the website, and so this is the website. Okay, so this website works just like Fiverr or Upwork. Okay, people go there to post what they can do, and then they have freelancers come and do the work for them. Okay, and then the freelancers get paid after their work. Okay, but for this one I will show you how to actually make money by watching YouTube videos and then subscribing to YouTube channels. Okay, that is what I'll be limiting this video to. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can do on this website. Okay, but I'll be limiting this to only watching YouTube videos and subscribing to channels, and then maybe Telegram channels or Twitter or TikTok accounts. Okay, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So once you come to this site, you just sign up. The sign up process is very simple. You just need your email address, password, your name, and then a bit of information. It's not anything complicated. Okay, once you sign up, you get a page like this. Okay, this will be your dashboard. Now for this dashboard, you just turn the freelancer button on. Okay, you don't want to be a buyer, you want to be a freelancer, that's a worker. Okay, now after doing that, just go straight to what you could notice that they have gigs over here. Okay, this is where you want to browse gigs. That's why I initially stated that this website works like Fiverr or Upwork. In case you know what Fiverr or Upwork is, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, now once you get to this point, we are interested in YouTube subscription and YouTube video watch to earn money. Okay, so once you get to this point, or once you sign up and then you are given a page like this, just go to micro jobs. Okay, once you go to micro jobs, you can notice that we have find jobs, finish tax. Okay, so click on find jobs. Okay, this will load up. Now you can notice that I stated that we will be focusing on YouTube video subscription and watching of YouTube videos. Now from here you can notice that we have an offer. They are saying that complete an offer plus watch 10 seconds video. Okay, so once you watch this 10 seconds video, you get $1. Okay, you get $1. These are recent uploads. Okay, you can notice that they are recent uploads. Now you can notice that they have 35 people. They need 35 people to do this work. Okay, and then 2 has already done it, meaning that you can also do it. Okay, so when you look at this one, they are saying that you should download an ebook plus get code. Okay, this one they are paying 0.25 cents. Okay, or let's say $0.25. Okay, and then they need 25 people, and then 12 people have already done it, meaning that you can actually do it. So from here you can notice that they are saying international, meaning that you can do it anywhere. It's worldwide. Okay, it's very legitimate and straightforward. One thing you have to know is that since people have been able to do it, you can actually do it. Okay, so when you get too close to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can actually withdraw your money, okay, or your earnings. Now let's open this and see the instructions, and then I'll walk you through the process. Now from here you can notice that they are saying that they need 35 people as I initially stated, and only 3 people have already done it. So you can notice that as I was talking, someone was even working on it, because it was initially 2. Okay, so someone has even completed the task, and then they are left with only 32 remaining people. Now from here you can notice that there's the tax. You have this tax. Now this is what you have to do when you come to this page. what they are saying is that you go to this link. Okay, so one thing about this site is that it's specific. Okay, they tell you what to do specifically, and then after doing it, you send screenshot to support what you've done, and then that's where you get paid. Now they are saying that copy this. When they say go to, it means that copy the link attached. Okay, so you copy this link like this, you copy it, or just open the link. Okay, it will open a new tab. Now what are they saying? They are saying click the watch video button. So once you click the watch video button, it will send you to the page where you'll be able to click on watch now. Okay, and then you complete human verification to verify that you are not a robot. Okay, and then you watch the 10 seconds video. After watching the 10 seconds video, you take a screenshot. Now this screenshot will be your money. Okay, because they need evidence that you've actually used or follow the procedure and watch the video. Okay, now they are saying that after that you provide proof. Okay, you provide proof. So here you submit the title of the video you watched. Okay, and then you attach the screenshots. Okay, then they are saying that in case you left any comments, you just leave that over here, and then you show that you have completed human verification too. You just attach a file or screenshot over here, and then in case any comment, you just add it over here. After that, you submit the proof. So once you submit this proof, your credentials, what I mean by credentials is that what you submitted will be verified. After that, you will be paid. Okay, now you can notice that this is pretty much straightforward. Now I want to state this website comes with lots of complications, some might say, because once you open or use the link to open the page, and then you start going through the process, notice that there will be some pop-ups, some ads, and then certain videos you have to surpass before you can able to complete this task. But trust me, since lots of people have been able to do it, means that you can also do it. Okay, so after this, I will show you how you can actually double up your money. Okay, so let's proceed. Now let me show you something to even entice your interest in this app, okay, or website. So you can notice that people are actually earning crazy money. Okay, they are earning crazy money over here. So you can notice that this guy has earned 5k from Egypt, 5k from Brazil, Venezuela, 4k, and then you have a Nigerian over here, 3k. Okay, and look at the number of tasks they've completed. Okay, this guy has completed 136575 tasks, 121237 tasks, and then the Nigerian guy has also completed 98,448 tasks. Okay, meaning that people are actually making this money. Okay, they are actually making money. Now this is how they were able to make this money. So for every task they complete, they earn $1, or even it could be $2. Okay, it depends on the task you earn. So for one day, the person can complete maybe 100 tasks. Okay, for 100 tasks, imagine earning $2 for every single task. That's 400, that's $200. Okay, it goes on and on and on and on. Okay, people are actually making real money over here. Okay, real money, like crazy money. Okay, so one thing is that the only way you can withdraw money from this website is via what? Maybe Bitcoin. So in case you have a Binance account, you can use that to withdraw your money over here, just like these people making crazy money over and over and over again every day. Okay, so in case you want to watch our next video on how to chat people and earn money, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like, share, and I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.